up, everybody? Welcome to the video. This is going to be a hurricane video. So Hurricane Florence is on its way here. Yeah, we're preparing because I live in a low-lying area as it is. So get prepared, gas for the generator, get all this stuff. And it's crazy. It ain't even what is today. Today's Monday. I'm preparing. Storm isn't even going to hit until Saturday. And it's getting ridiculous. I mean, I drove out of my way, not much, but out of my way to go to the gas station so I could get a couple cans of gas for the generator. But I passed 2 gas stations on my way to the one that I was going to go to. Lines at both of them. It's still days away. People are crazy. That's all I gotta say. I ain't even stressed until maybe Friday, when I know if it's gonna hit or not. Friday, then I'll be worried. So until then, we'll just see what's up. Keep doing a little bit of video here and there every day. Probably it's Tuesday. Hurricane Florence has been upgraded to a Category 4. And I happen to live in a city that was mandatory evacuation this morning at 8 o'clock. Wow. I was at work when that happened. I'm on my way home now. Hopefully I can make it home, because from what I heard one time, when they did a mandatory evacuation, they closed the roads and wasn't allowing people in. I mean, I understand. This section of the road right up here, it dips down. It's all swamp on the sides. It's low lying. Nothing but water out there. From what I heard, this section right here floods all the time. Even during like just normal heavy rain. I don't know. Should I hang out and ride this storm out, or pack up everything and leave? I don't know yet, because I still don't even know where the storm's heading. So with the storm here coming a few days away, it's almost to the point of like, what do I do? I mean, I was working on a video for the car, for the BMW, putting the motor together, heads, all that kind of stuff, working on that video. My drop spindles for the Suburban just showed up. So it's like, do I work on this stuff? Do I wait and ride the storm out? And when it's all done, hope my cars are alright, and then start back on them? Or just go for it now and just say, hey, whatever happens, happens. It's just money, right? Yeah, money that I ain't got. I spent all day yesterday cleaning up the yard, getting all this other stuff just up and out of the way. Debris, getting them ready. I don't know. I ain't decided. I need to work on these cars. But at the same time, it's like, man, this weather. Well, this is it for this video. I'll start another one tomorrow, be for the next day or two, and then we'll keep updates on this storm. Just doing videos, doing little vlogs real quick, just to keep up on the storm, see how everything's going. Alright, catch you in the next video.